everyone, welcome to our podcast. Today we are going to talk about school life. School life is not about lesson and exam, but also about experience and memories. So I am Ika Rapiarifa Putra, will be your host today.
I'm Nicolette Mesha Putri. You can call me Mesha as the partner host today. So today we are joined by two of our amazing friends. The first one is Ganesh and the second speaker is Buddha. Hello Ganesh, hello Buddha.
Hello Mesha,
Hello,
Diva.
Diva. Okay, let me introduce myself first before I share my experience about school life. So, my name is Dila Hadegris Dewi. You can call me Ganesh or Ade or anything that you want. And my friend?
And I'm hello everyone. I'm Iputu Buddha Mustarinana. You guys can call me Buddha. I'm really happy to be here and talk about school life with you all.
Great, nice to meet you guys. So let's start with a simple but important question. What does school life mean to you personally? Ganesh, you can go first.
But for me, school life is more than study subject. It plays when I learn discipline, teamwork, and responsibility. Through school, I also discover my strength and the weakness. In my school life, I have to go to lesson 2, do my homework, or when I have schedule of examination, I need to study it before I go to school. Thank you.
Interesting point. You mentioned that discovering yourself. Can you give me an example of an experience that really saved you?
Sure. When I joined a group project, I had to work with people who had very difficult personality, ideas, and working styles. At first, it was difficult, but we often have different opinions and ways of solving problems. However, over time, I learned how important clear communication and teamwork are. I try to listen more carefully, express my idea potently, and respect other opinions even when they were different from mine. This experience helped me become more patient, open-minded, and confident when working with the others group. Thank you.
Okay, that's a good lesson. How about you, Buddha? What does school life mean to you personally and how it shaped you?
Okay, school life is a full memory for me. Not only happy moment, but also challenge. From those challenge, I learned not to give up usually, and to manage my time better. So I don't feel overwhelmed. I also talk to friends when I feel stressed because sharing problem really helps.
I agree. For me, taking a short break and doing my hobbies will, like listening to music, that is help refresh my mind before I continue my homework or another group project.
Okay, that's a good strategy. Now let's think a bit deeper. Do you think school prepares students for real life? Why and why don't, in your opinion?
Okay. I think school prepare us in basic ways, like teaching discipline, critical thinking. However, students also need to learn practical skill outside the classroom.
Very thoughtful answer. Before we end this, what advice you guys give to the student so they can enjoy their school life?
Okay, my advice is don't be afraid to try new things, join activities, make friends, and enjoy the process.
And from me, appreciate every moment at school, even the difficult ones, because they will become a valuable memories later.
For me, school life is not just about a lesson, but also learning discipline and responsibility. Thank you so much for Ganesh and Buddha.
Yes, thank you so much for you guys and the listeners. Remember that school life is not about a lesson. It's about growing and learning as a person. See you in the next session. See you.
Dadah! Tinggal apa video apa? Banyak yang menyisir sejarah nih. Bah, For me, school life is more than study subject. It plays